everybody's heard of Energy Star appliances out there, and there are even more smart appliances coming up here soon. With GE's got a new nucleus coming out for smart appliances that will actually let you control how much power is going to your appliances during those peak modes. Well, pretty soon, or actually there are some utility companies out there now that actually charge you a peak rate during certain times of the day. Well, you can actually delay using that appliance until a non-peak hour. So there's new technologies, of course, evolving every single day. So Energy Star appliances are just that start of those energy saving features on appliances. Water. Install your aerators, low flow shower heads, low flow faucets. You'll see in catalogs there's 2.5 gallons a minute on your faucet. You're cranking it up, right? Do you really need that much water to wash your hands for however long it takes you to sing happy birthday twice? You know, that's what you teach your kids. So less amount of water, you're still getting that same, you know, it's not a physical change, it's just oh gosh, what's the word? It's a
lifestyle.
There you go, lifestyle change. But yet, it's not affecting you in any way. It's just something that happens that is still the same outcome at the end. We've got a dual flush commode here, and actually we've got...
If you had to climb that high to use that thing, that would be enough reason right there not to go up there.
Display. But they're showing an older commode that actually had 3.5 gallons per flush versus the new ones that have 1.28. And there's, you know, we have a dual flush commode in one of our restrooms over here. It's 1.1 versus 1.6. That's a big difference when you think about everybody in your subdivision, everybody in the city. You know, it may not mean a lot to you, but yet overall, that's where we're going. And so, as you can see, save up to 16,500 gallons of water each year with a water saving commode. That's big. And right now, Louisville is not, you know, as water conscious as we should be, but it's coming. And you see these western states out there, they have strict requirements on water, and it's coming our way. So water heating, Bob, I'm going to let you take over these two.
Okay, well, you can see here, heating and cooling says 49%, basically half of your energy bill. Water heating represents anywhere from 13–20% for the average homeowner. So go to the next slide. Okay, folks, this is a standard electric water heater from here down. Got high element, low element, nothing different about that tank. But let me tell you, the part that sits on top, right here, this is a big deal. It's a heat pump. I put one of those units in my house last April. Last summer, during the month of July, Rosemary and I, we take showers every day, we both work, so we're not high water consumers, but significantly. We spent $4.40 for the electricity for all the hot water we needed for the whole month of July through that unit right there. December, for all the cooking and guests we had over and all the holiday activities, our hot water cost for December was $8.90. How do I know? I've got a meter on it. I'm an electric guy, remember, I want to find out these things so I can share with you facts. $4.40 last summer, $8.90 in December, but you know what, it wasn't the Christmas holiday that was the biggest issue. It's the fact that in wintertime, the water temperature coming, the water temperature, the cold water coming in is a lot cold. It takes a lot more energy to warm that up. So that's the biggest part. But that heat pump has the ability to dramatically lower your hot water costs in your home. GE talks about lowering it 60%. I'm on track right now, April will be a year, actually March will be a year, to save just a tad over 60% for the first year using it. It's unbelievable how efficient these things are. I wouldn't take twice what I pay for it to have that thing in there. And Kentucky is really generous with rebates and credits and stuff available to you guys compared to Indiana for that technology. The payback, you can get the payback down to less than 2 years and maybe even 1 year over here in Kentucky with that technology. Fantastic, it works. We're going there. Department of Energy, correct me if I'm wrong, Eric, the Department of Energy has already notified the water heater companies that the year 2015, all water heaters must be 95% efficient or higher. At the present time, there's only one water heater that's got a tank on it that meets that criteria. Even the instant or on-demand or these tankless water heaters are not that efficient. So everything out there that we're familiar with is not even going to be there by the year 2015. This is where we're going.